Unraveling the Mystery. What does TV land mean? Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, TV land. You might have heard this phrase in conversations, movies, or TV shows, but what does it really mean? Stay with us to find out, as we delve into the different nuances and uses of this fascinating phrase. TV land is a phrase that can be used in a couple of different ways. Generally, it refers to the world of television, a place where all the shows, characters, and stories exist. When someone says they are in TV land, they might mean that they are deeply engaged in watching television, to the point where they are somewhat detached from the real world. For example, if someone is watching TV for hours and you try to talk to them, but they don't respond, you might say they are in TV land. TV land also has a nostalgic and cultural connotation. It can refer to a time or place in the past where certain popular TV shows were aired. People might refer to TV land when talking about classic television shows from the 1950s, 60s, or 70s. For example, those shows from the 60s? That's classic TV land. Additionally, TV land is also the name of a television channel that originally aired classic television shows, reinforcing this nostalgic connection. Let's look at how we can use TV land in a sentence. 1. After a long week of work, I love to unwind in TV land with some of my favorite shows. 2. My grandparents love to reminisce about TV land, talking about the classic shows they used to watch. 3. Sometimes when I watch too much television, I feel like I'm stuck in TV land. And that's a wrap on TV land. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion about this phrase and has enriched your understanding of English idiomatic expressions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest content. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.